It's Firearms Friday again. We're doing something a little different today. The Wyoming State Archives is in the same umbrella organization as the Wyoming State Museum, and in fact they are in the same building, which is very convenient for research and when I need help with my research. So the Wyoming State Archives has a lecture series. They invited me to make a presentation on firearms with Wyoming stories. It's called Down the Barrel of History. And those of you who have followed my videos will recognize probably most of these guns which have been featured on an individual video. But be warned, it's about a 50-minute video that's attached below or attached to this presentation. And thought maybe you'd be interested in it. Let me know if you like it or not. So thanks for watching.